Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add posts or reels to your interested list on Instagram. So by interested means that Instagram will try to show you the same content. For example, I interested in place review or a restaurant review and just like that, something like that. You can just click on the three dots icon on the content, and here you can see this is I've already added this at my interest. So if you want to click on the not interest, you can just click on this. But if you want to add it again as interest, just click on the three dots icon again, and there will be shown. For example, let's try this. For example, here click on interested. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.